Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to make money with Kajabi. To do that, choose a profitable niche. Select a niche or topic that has a target audience willing to pay for valuable content or products. You can also create high quality content. Yes, develop engaging and valuable digital content such as online courses, ebooks, or membership sites using Kajabi's tools. You can also set up a sales funnel. Create a sales funnel to lead potential customers through a sequence of steps for attracting them with free content to converting them into paying customers. You can also price your products strategically. Price your digital products appropriately, considering their value and the target audience's willingness to pay. And also promote your offerings. Use Kajabi's built-in marketing features to promote your products through email marketing, social media, and other channels. You can also offer freebies or lead magnets. Yes, provide free valuable content to attract potential customers and build an email list. And utilize upsells and cross-sells. Offer complementary products or additional upgrades to increase the overall value of each customer's purchase. You can also engage with your audience. Interact with your audience through Kajabi's community features, webinar, or live events to build trust and loyalty. So that's how to make money with Kajabi. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.